So I just got back from the gym, and as you know, it's really great to replenish your muscles with protein after a workout. Your muscles are screaming for nutrition. What I got here from Rootz is the protein superfood with chocolate banana nut. And now that sounds like I'm going to the bakery inside a protein drink, which really sounds good. I'm looking forward to opening this up, mixing some up, drinking it, and I will let you know how it goes. Welcome to Reviews That Rock. So let's rock some of this stuff. One scoop of the protein powder. Looks like a nice quality, nice consistency. This is dairy-free, which is great for me. And I just mixed it with some water and it tastes really good. It's light, it's got a nice aftertaste to it. It's not gritty, it's well blended up. You know, sometimes when you want to eat healthy, you have to eat things that don't necessarily taste great. Well, this has both win situations. It tastes great and it's really good for you. Hey, so you're wondering how to get this stuff? Well, just click on the link in the description below and that'll take you right to the page for ordering. And also remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you reviews that rock.